Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add invoices in finance. First, understand that an invoice is a crucial document detailing goods or services provided, along with payment terms. It's essential for tracking revenue and expenses accurately. You'll need to identify key information like the invoice number, date, vendor, amount, and a clear description of items. We'll then cover the initial steps for accurately entering this data into your financial system. Once you have an invoice, the next step is to carefully verify its accuracy and completeness. Check for correct amounts, dates, and vendor details. Then, categorize the expense or revenue using the appropriate general ledger accounts. This ensures proper financial reporting. Finally, enter all the relevant invoice information into your accounting software or ledger system, ensuring every field is accurately populated for future reference and reconciliation. To maintain efficient financial records, implement best practices for invoice management. A consistent naming convention for digital invoice files, such as vendor name, invoice number, date, helps with easy retrieval. Regularly reconcile invoices against bank statements and vendor accounts to catch discrepancies early. Consider utilizing automation tools. These can significantly streamline invoice processing, reduce manual errors, and save valuable time for your finance team. In summary, effectively adding invoices to your finance system involves careful verification, accurate categorization, and consistent data entry. Regularly review your current invoice processing workflow to identify areas for improvement and efficiency gains. Always ensure your practices comply with relevant tax regulations and financial reporting standards to avoid issues. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Maintaining organized and accurate invoice records is crucial for sound financial health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.